Good morning, class. Well, today is not only a new day, but it's a new week and it's a new month. Today is Monday, May the 3rd. So we have some new things to put up on our calendar today. Monday, and I've taken down April. I'm putting up May. It is the 3rd. Saturday was the 1st. Sunday was the 2nd, and today is the 3rd. And it's still the same year, 2021. Let's put that together. Today is Monday, May the 3rd, 2021. And I'm looking outside, and it's kind of an overcast, rainy day today. So that's what I'm going to put up for today's weather. And it's still spring. Things are still sprouting up and starting to look very beautiful. And I need to mow my lawn at home. If today is Monday, what was yesterday? Yesterday was, of course, Sunday. What will tomorrow be? Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's thank Jesus for this new day, new week, and new month. Dear Lord, thank you that you were with us last month, you were with us yesterday, and you're with us today. Help us to listen to your voice, to make good choices, to enjoy the day, and we thank you for it. Amen. So today, this week, we're starting a new topic in our Bible time, and it's courage. Now, courage does not mean never being afraid. We're all afraid sometimes, but courage means doing what you need to do even if you feel afraid, trusting God, talking to Him, and learning how to do new things. Our verse that goes along with that this week, that we'll practice all week long, is found in the book of Psalms, chapter 56, verse 3. And it goes like this: When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you. And who do we trust in? Who can we talk to? Anytime, no matter how we're feeling, we can talk to our Heavenly Father. And He always hears, and He always knows what to do. He's also given us parents to talk to, and people that we trust, like grandparents, teachers, but we can always go to Him, and He always has the right answer. So it's okay to feel afraid, but we know that we don't have to live in fear. God has the answer. We can trust Him, and He will help us. Let's try that again. When I am afraid, I will trust in you. Psalm 56, verse 3. So have fun memorizing that this week and putting it in your heart. All right. Before we start into our language today, I've got a bit of an exercise for us, and I'm going to play it, and we are going to do the actions and sing the song. Here we go. It's called Stomp.
Boys and girls, let's get ready to ride. Scoot your chairs back.
Move yourself back. Put your feet on the floor.
Now let's stomp our feet loud.
Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Louder.
Are you stomping as loud as you can?
Put your arms up high in the air.
Arms
and
up.
Wave them around.
Wave them.
Let me hear you say, na na na
Na na na na na na na na na na na. Na 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 na. Woo!
Clap your knees.
Clap your knees.
And your hips.
Your hips.
Now your shoulders.
Shoulders.
Shoulders up.
Up.
Back. And down.
Down.
Nice job.
And now, you're ready to write. So always before you sit down to write or do some work, you should make sure you're comfortable. Stomp your feet, raise your arms up, wave them around, na 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 na, tap your shoulders, tap your knees, put your back back, shoulders up and down, and feel relaxed, sitting up straight. Well, now we're ready to start our language. So, you're continuing to finish up pages in your printing books that you missed before while we were in school. And there's also a page for each of you to do. JK's, you've got a page that looks like this with teacups on it, and there's uppercase letters, but some of them are missing. So you need to fill in the missing uppercase letters. JK's, excuse me, that was JK's, the uppercase letters. JK's, you're doing the uppercase teacups. SK's, you're doing a page that looks almost the same. It has coffee cups and it has lowercase letters. You're filling in the missing lowercase letters, SK's. SK's, JK's. JK's, uppercase, SK's, lowercase. All right. I think Mrs. Peddler's tongue is a little bit tied this morning, but I'm waking up, and I hope you are too. So you're going to fill in the blanks on your teacups and coffee cups to fill in the missing letters. So that's your language, your printing book, and the teacup page. Now, let's move on to our math lesson. We have a new math lesson for this week. It's called Number Bonds. Now, you may never have heard of that, but I'm going to explain it for you. We're going to do a lesson together. And it's basically starting to learn how to add numbers together. And we've already done some of this in our class. When we get happy faces on our chalkboard for making good decisions, we add groups of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. Well, we're going to start learning how to add different numbers together. I have 3 pie plates here with me. 1, 2, and 3. And in your work packet, you'll see a page like this. Number bonds have 3 circles because we add 2 numbers together to get a third number. So for instance, 3, draw on this, 3 dots in this circle, 1, 2, 3, see that? And in this circle, we'll put 2 dots, 1, 2. So that I'm going to put the number 3 here for 3 dots, and the number 2 here for 2 dots. Do you see that? Now, what this means is add these 2 circles together. 3 plus, and that's our plus sign, 2 equals, I'm going to put the equal sign here. We've talked about these signs before. What does 3 dots plus 2 dots equal? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the bottom circle, we're going to put the number 5 and 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this question says 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now let's do that with our pie plates. You each have a page like this so you can make your own number bond. You can use whatever numbers you would like. Draw the dots or whatever picture you want to use. Write the numbers, put the plus in the equal, and the answer in the bottom circle. Here's my pie plates. These are like my circles. 2 numbers and then the answer. I have some red stickers and some green stickers. So on this pie plate, I'm going to put 3 circles. Maybe I'll put 2 circles. Yeah, I'm going to put 2 circles on this one. And 2 circles on this one. So 2 plus 2. Now what's the answer to that? Let's show our fingers. 2 fingers plus 2 more fingers. Join them together. How many fingers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we need to put how many circles on the bottom plate? That's right, 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. There's our number bond with paper plates. Now, let's do this one with our fingers. We said 3 plus 2 equals 5. And we counted it. 1, 2, 3, plus 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, let's do it on one hand. 3 plus 2 more equals what? 5. That's all our fingers on this hand. 3, this is kind of hard to separate your fingers like this. 3 plus 2 more equals 5. Can you see those? All right. Now we're going to do some number bonds or adding with our blocks. 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks plus 3 blocks. And we'll take our stickers off and put them on our plates. 3 blocks. I'll separate them so that you can see that there's 3 there. 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3 on this plate. 1, 2, 3. Can you see them? There we go. Now, let's add these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means on the bottom plate, we would have to have 6 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are there 6 blocks on here? Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 blocks on this plate and 3 blocks on this plate equals 6 blocks. All right, now that we've practiced number bonds together, let's practice one more way on our whiteboard. Can you see it? There we go. All right, so we know that the number bonds have 3 circles. 2 numbers that we're adding together, and then the answer. That's what a number bond looks like. Kind of like a face. 2 eyes and a mouth, maybe? Anyways, let's pick some numbers. Let's do 4 plus 2. 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more dots, 1, 2. Now what does that equal? 1, 2, 3, 4 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 gives us 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. I know that you are smart and you will be able to do your own number bonds. So JKs, you have some number bonds on an alien or a monster, cute monster sheet. So you can see this 3 circles. And in this one here, it has the 2 numbers to add together, 6 plus 1 more equals what? So if we have the number 6 and we go over 1 more number, that means we're adding 1. 6 plus 1 equals, of course, 7. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. So there's our 2 circles. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we could put that down below here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 more, 7. Alrighty. So you have fun with those alien number bonds. Remember, the 2 numbers they give you are the ones you're adding together, and the one that is blank is the one that you write in. That's what they equal. So you could even get something to count with at home, like some beans or anything that you have, crayons, whatever, straws, to use as counters, just like we used our blocks as counters. You can use anything as counters that you have at home to help you count the 2 numbers and then what they equal when you add them together so that you can put that in the blank. Now, SKs, you're doing the same thing, but you're doing it in your workbook. So they have boxes here. You're adding what's in the first box to what's in the second box and write the numbers. So let's count the dolls. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a 3 here. Count the teddy bears. 1, 2. We'll write a 2 here. 3 and 2 make, or that means 3 plus 2 equal, and then you'll put the answer here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 toys when you add the 3 dolls to the 2 teddy bears. Now let's turn the page. There are 2 cages of animals. How many animals are there all together? Well, let's count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All together, monkeys and parrots. 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 and 5 make 9. That's the page you're working on together. So remember, number bonds is another way of saying adding. Adding 2 numbers to get the answer. Have fun with that. I know you will enjoy it and be able to figure it out. And it helps if you have some things to help you count with. All right, moving along. In your packages today, there's a craft for you. And do you remember our book, Why Mosquitoes Buzz in People's Ears? Well, today you have a Mosquito Craft, and you get to you get to make your own mosquitoes. Aren't they cute looking? If mosquitoes can be cute, even though they're pests. So I've included materials and instructions in your packet, and I hope you enjoy making your own mosquitoes. You have some beads to put the pipe cleaners through to make the mosquito's eyes. And you have some wings to cut out to put on the mosquito, and you can bend the pipe cleaners to make the legs for the mosquito. Enjoy that. And before we have our story time today, let's do some more stretching. Let's stand together and sing Head and Shoulders. Can you stretch up as high as you can go? And